Canva magic, using artificial intelligence to help us as educators reach our students' needs. Now, this is great for world languages, DLI, as well as the teachers trying to serve students who are new to the country and have different language needs. So here is a basic math poster. I'm going to come over here on this left-hand side to the Canva apps. And I am going to discover an application called Translate right here in the center. I'm going to hit Translate, and then I can choose my target language. And I'm going to click in here Spanish, and it gives me the option to translate this page or select a text. I'm going to just translate it all and see what happens. So within 3 seconds, a lot has changed. Now you can see that it's kind of messed up some places, but all I have to do is, now my poster has been translated with very minimal effort on my part, and now I have something that can be used in my classroom. I didn't lose my English one, it's right up above. So here's my English poster and my foreign language poster side by side. I hope you have enjoyed today's EdTech Tip tutorial.